Hello friends, welcome to South Indian Tadka. Today we are going to make a sambar Kerala style. We will not be using much of vegetables, we are just making it out of onions. So let's see what are the ingredients required for the same. Tuwar ki dal soaked in water, green chili, onion, tomatoes, coriander leaves just to garnish, dry chilies, salt, mustard seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder and asafoetida, and sambar powder you can use of any company. We would be using of Eastern. Tamarind soaked in water, coconut oil. So first thing we need to do is put the dal into the cooker and wait until it gives one whistle. That would be sufficient.
Little salt.
You can add a little bit of salt into the dal and then wait for one whistle. So a little bit of salt. That's it. So meanwhile we can cut the onion into big pieces. You can see this is the piece. And tomatoes, it's always good to use it after peeling the skin, so it will be easily mixed and it's good for the digestion as well. So always make sure you use the tomatoes after peeling the skin. So let's start. Put a little bit of coconut oil into the kadhai. Wait until it is hot. Then after this you can add mustard seeds and then onions. Sambar powder, we would be using it after mixing it with a little bit of water, making it as a paste. I haven't mixed the water yet, but we'll use it after mixing the water into it. So it will give a good taste. So add onion into it. It should be in big pieces. Don't slice it small or thin. Just big size. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit of salt into this as per taste. We have already added salt into the dal, but add a little bit of salt into onion as well, as it will get golden in color very quickly. So let's wait until it gets golden color. Put the green chilies as well into the onion. You can add any vegetable to sambar, like potato, cucumber, anything. But we are not using any of the vegetables, it's just onion. In next video I'll show you how to make sambar with other vegetables as well. So basically today we are making onion sambar. So guys, we are cooking it in coconut oil, so it gives a very good aroma into the South Indian dishes. We prefer using coconut oil because it is very healthy, zero cholesterol. You can make it in any other oil, but I would recommend you to use coconut oil when you are making South Indian dishes. It will always give the flavor of South India to it. So add a little bit of chili powder into this onion, just a small teaspoon kind, just a small spoon. Little bit of turmeric powder, yeah. Then give it a good mix. So the stove should be in sim. Don't make it in high flame, it will burn. Keep the gas stove in sim. Okay, so let us wait. Now see, this is how we'll be making the sambar paste. Just add a little bit of water into the sambar powder and give it a good mix. In this way it will give a good flavor. This is, you can use you can just put the powder directly as well, but this is how we make it. So try it this way. Yeah, give it a good mix. and just pour it into the mixture prepared. Yeah, pour it into the onion. Yeah, see, just look at the color. I'm getting a very good aroma right now, so you guys can also have it when you cook it at home. So add a little bit of water as well to it. Yeah, now let's wait for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a good mix. Just look at the color. Wow, see? Now put the tamarind water as well into it. The one which we had soaked it earlier. Just put the water into the mixture. You have to just press the tamarind into the water, and the only the liquid you have to put into the mixture, not the tamarind, not the pieces. So yeah, let it boil. So the mixture has started to boil. So just maybe 5 minutes or so it gets the boiling point. You can add curry leaves as well, but right now we are not using it. We'll be using coriander leaves to garnish, but you can use of course the curry leaves as well. So into this mixture we'll be adding the tomatoes cut into small pieces after removing the skin, after peeling off the skin rather. So just keep it for another 5 minutes or so. Into the mixture add asafoetida. You can see the quantity, it's just a little bit, not even half a spoon, little bit. As soon as you put the powder, it gives a strong aroma and the flavor. That is basically, that is what gives the basic flavor to sambar. So, but don't put a lot of it, just a little bit. Now into this mixture we'll be adding the cooked dal. We have already cooked the dal and kept aside. So we'll be adding the dal into this mixture. So this is the dal. This is the way it should be cooked. Yeah. Now mix it into the masala. Yeah. So your sambar is almost ready. Giving it a good mix. I can already feel the aroma spreading in my home. Yeah. So see, it is boiling. We'll have to wait for 5-10 minutes. You can just close the lid and keep it for 5-10 minutes, or you can put it into a pressure cooker and just wait for 1 whistle. That would be sufficient and it'll be ready. So let's wait and see how our product looks. So it is being cooked, still not cooked. It's the tomatoes are yet to be cooked and the onion also yet to be cooked. So yes, you can put it into the cooker. That would be much. If it is urgently required, you can put it into the cooker and cook it, or else you can keep it in the kadhai itself. So guys, your sambar is ready. Piping hot sambar. It can be served with rice. It can be served with dosa, idli, chapati, paratha, anything. So signing off right now. In next video, I'll show you many other South Indian dishes. So until then, bye bye. Take care.